Sue Armstrong, Borrowed Time, The Science of How and Why We Age. In Borrowed Time, author Sue Armstrong delves into the world of aging, exploring complex and nuanced theories about why we age and how our understanding of this biological process continues to evolve. Armstrong sheds light on how medical advances have increased human lifespan but not necessarily the quality of life in one's later years. This book summary will acquaint you with various perspectives on aging, such as the random genetic mutations that drive evolution, or telomeres and cellular division, which offer insights into age-related decline. Moreover, it will present cutting-edge research and discuss the ongoing debate among scientists about the mechanism and potential ways to slow down the aging process.
The Science of Aging. Science writer Sue Armstrong explores the complex theories behind aging in her book, which blends biology, history, and science. Reviewers praise her nuanced approach, presenting a diverse range of ideas from various scientific subspecialties without claiming any sole answer. Armstrong makes clear the pending revolution in our understanding of aging, and the implications it holds for human health and longevity. The mystery of aging. Why do organisms age? This question has stumped scientists for centuries. Although medical advancements have prolonged human life, health in the elderly hasn't necessarily improved. Armstrong delves into the latest research to reveal the possibility of slowing aging and reducing its effects. As the elderly population continues to grow at a fast rate, understanding the mechanisms behind aging becomes increasingly crucial. The Science of Aging. Armstrong's book delves into the various theories behind aging, including the idea that environmental damage to cells, tissues, and organs plays a significant role. The author also explores the concept of random genetic mutations driving evolution and how they affect our lifespan. She explains that mutations beneficial for survival are passed on to the next generation, while those hindering survival disappear. Armstrong's inquiry enables readers to gain a deeper understanding of the science behind growing old and the factors that shape our lifespan. Telomeres and the aging process. In her book, Armstrong discusses the discovery that the number of times a cell can divide is limited and how this has opened up new pathways to understand aging. She explains that telomeres, the protective tips on the chromosomes, play a crucial role in the division of cells. The length of telomeres decreases with each division, and when the telomere cap becomes too small to offer protection to the chromosome, the cell turns senescent. Armstrong also cites Elizabeth Blackburn, a Nobel Prize for Medicine awardee, who verified the existence of telomeres and the importance of p53 gene function in preventing cancer. The immune system and aging. As people age, the immune system weakens, causing an increase in senescent cells that release substances breaking down collagen, the structural material for tissue. This loss of collagen creates space in tissue for precancerous cells to multiply, while senescent cells contribute to chronic inflammation, a main driver of age-related decline. The author recommends moderate exercise to reduce chronic inflammation, citing research supporting this claim. The Science of Aging. Cynthia Kenyon's research on the effects of DAF2 gene mutations on C. elegans worms suggests that aging is not just a product of random damage but rather a directed outcome. Discovering that a single mutation can double the worm's lifespan and inducing a tenfold increase in longevity, Cynthia's findings illuminate a crucial aspect of longevity research. However, chemical and food exposure remains the primary determinant of lifespan, and genes are only one of the many factors that play into the complex science of aging. Unlocking the potential of anti-aging therapy. Aging research has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach debilitating diseases such as Alzheimer's and cancer, according to Armstrong. Gordon Lithgow, one of the pioneers in worm longevity experimentation, likens the current state of anti-aging research to that of antibiotics before the discovery of penicillin. The development of personalized medicine is crucial to unlocking the potential of anti-aging therapy. As such, Armstrong suggests a need for the healthcare industry to investigate whether the aging process is the common cause behind various ailments. Dive into the world of aging science. Armstrong's book is a treasure trove of illuminating information for science hobbyists, teachers, and students alike. While her easy-to-read writing style is engaging, she delves extensively into scientific history, theory, and practice, making it best suited for readers with some layperson background in aging. Those with a strong inclination towards the subject will find the book to be a valuable resource, but those with scant interest in science may struggle to navigate its jargon-laden complexity.
Borrowed Time adeptly presents the diverse theories around why and how we age, with a focus on recent advances and the future of anti-aging therapies. Through this book summary, readers gain a deeper understanding of the aging process and its associated challenges, such as senescent cells and their links to chronic inflammation. As the scientific community ventures further into the uncharted territory of potential life-extending research and personalized medicine, it becomes increasingly important to consider the implications of these discoveries on human life and well-being. Ultimately, Borrowed Time highlights the need for continued exploration and scientific collaboration, as well as a more extensive comprehension of aging, to pave the way for healthier, more fulfilling lives in the coming years.